I'm building this website, storebuy.shop. I'm ready to expand. So, I'm finally learning how to embed eBay codes into my WordPress website, content management system, so I can expand on the website. We're speaking about smart placement banners by eBay. I already have the page. I built the first page to test it out. Once I learned, oh, that's how I'm going to use it, and I made the decision how I was going to use it once I learned how to create the codes and what they did, what they offer. So this is a very basic WordPress web page, and I want to show you how basic it is. It has 4 codes. These are eBay codes. I'll do this in another video, show you how I made the codes, but eBay codes, there's women watches, men watches, girl watches, boy watches. It's just a format template that I decided to go with for this. And I give a little history about watches from Wikipedia, and that's it. This is a very basic web page. Now I'm going to show you something. Preview. It's a little slow, there's a little lag because I'm recording. Preview. You're going to find this very interesting. It's not always you. I was with GoDaddy for an hour because GoDaddy is just hosting the WordPress. But they do generate income from me because they led me to WordPress, and I buy plugins from their platform, their WordPress platform, their hosting. Anything I do, anything I purchase benefits GoDaddy. So the person, I couldn't get mad at the customer service because they're not qualified to help figure out how to do the coding. This is more of a technical glitch. You see how there's one row, women watches, that's what I wanted. And I wanted men watches, girl watches, boy watches, and that's it. Very basic page to start off with. Oh, I'm sorry, there's a little delay, I'm sorry. Now watch. When I preview the page, watch what happens. Do you see women watches? There's 4 rows of the same code populating. I don't want that. That tells me there's a glitch. Men watches. There's 4 rows. Why 4 rows? I'll show you. And then you see girl watches, they populate, and boy watches. That shouldn't be. It's not what I want. I want the page to look like this when I'm viewing it as a published page on the web. I want 4 rows. 1 women, 1 men, 1 girls, 1 boys. Now watch this. I'm going to show you. So you learn that it's not always you guys. I'm going to go to the HTML. It's going to take me a moment, but that's okay. Just going to paste it in here because I'm going to paste it right back in. And I'm going to go to girls. Come on, baby. There's a little lag because I'm recording. You know, I only have to remove 2 to prove my point. I don't have to do all 3. Okay, you see this? You know what? I will do all 3. I made it this far. Let me remove this one too. Come on, baby. Come on. HTML. It's good to watch me do it, because you do learn, especially if you're a beginner. I should have banged out a ton of pages already. 2 hours later, I learned something new, of course. This is the kind of glitches that come, it blocks your path to success. I'm going to update it now. Now watch this. Watch this. I'm going to go back to this page. I'm going to refresh it. Preview it. Live, published on the web, and look what happens. Give it a moment because I'm recording. See how only 1 row popped up? That tells me there's a glitch. If I add the codes back, it will show 4 rows. It's not coded properly. with either Gutenberg or WordPress. They're not, the WordPress and Gutenberg are not communicating properly. The coders, the technical people have to figure that out. And I'm going to send this video to them. Now, to prove that what I am developing works, here's another web page, air conditioners. I have, here, I'll click on this preview, Amazon native ads. And after learning how to use eBay smart placement ads, eBay smart placement ads are similar to Amazon native ads. They automatically update. All you do is tell the company what kind of code you want. You copy the code, you paste it, and it works. This works fine. It's seamless. And I'm going to show you. Preview. I'm in the edit section here. I already have it open to save time. And here's the published web page. 4 different codes. And when I mean different codes, if you pay attention, you see home improvement air conditioners. And I tell Amazon I want the search bar on top. This is the way I want the ads to show. Miscellaneous air conditioners. Because there's miscellaneous parts to air conditioners. Automotive air conditioners. People might find that interesting. And then I have all air conditioners. So I have 4 different native ad codes on a web page. And again, this is very basic, guys. This is a very basic. Right here's a media.net ad. I have links to Amazon here where it says click here, visit search results, click here, visit feature categories. This is just a template that I put together for now, and I will evolve into other ways of doing things. But I should have been banging out web pages today. I was all excited. When I built this page, I said, oh, this is great. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start building my store. 2 hours later, and I come to realize that I can't get mad at the GoDaddy customer service person. It's because the person was telling me it's more of a technical problem. So what I'm going to do is, in a way, I'm working for free. I'm helping, you know what, I am working for free. I'm helping Gutenberg and WordPress because WordPress had to compete with the website builders out there, claiming that you could build a website in a half an hour. This is a simple request that I'm asking my WordPress Gutenberg to work. I mean, I got off track. It's an easy request what I'm asking the Gutenberg to do. This should not be a glitch. It's just coded improperly. It's not coded properly. So I'm going to inform them because in a way I'm a beta tester. I'm a beta tester who's working for free. I'm helping them develop their Gutenberg program, whatever you want to call it. It's part of the WordPress content management system. You know what? Let me go back here. This would really help. Let me go to plugins. Installed plugins. And do you see Gutenberg is a plugin? But it's a plugin that comes with WordPress. I don't have to pay for the Gutenberg plugin. Like, nothing wrong with Elementor, but I went from Elementor to Gutenberg because I wanted to use a service, a feature, a function that's built into the WordPress content management system because I want to use as little as third-party plugins as possible. That was my focus. And when I learned about Gutenberg, I automatically made the switch. So they are in the process of developing the Gutenberg plugin that's built into the WordPress content management system. And I'm helping them figure out the glitches, what works and what don't work. This should work. It just should. This is very basic. So I'm going to fill them in, let them know, and eventually they'll take care of it. I hope you learned a lot. Don't think that it's always you. This is part of building a business. The moment I got excited, I viewed the page as a public web page, published web page on the web, and I said, what is going on here? There's a glitch. It was too good to be true, but they'll fix it. I need to learn coding because I could have fixed this problem myself. And if I start now, by the time I'm 53, I can have an amazing career. Guys, stay tuned if you want to continue to learn. Have a good one. I hope you learned something. Bye, guys. I forgot, all likes are appreciated. Don't forget to